In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Wix site to Google Search Console. This is a crucial step in ensuring your website is visible and easily discoverable on search engines, helping you reach a broader audience. Let's get started with the process. First things first, before we dive into the specifics, it's important to make sure that your Wix site is published. If you haven't already taken this step, go ahead and publish your site now. This allows it to be live on the internet. Only then can search engines like Google index and rank your site. Thus, publishing is a prerequisite you must fulfill. Once your site is published, navigate over to your SEO dashboard. You can do this by heading to the main menu in your Wix account and selecting Marketing and SEO. Under this tab, you'll find a section dedicated to SEO tools. Here, you have access to various tools that help optimize your site. A crucial part of this setup is to ensure that the Let Search Engines Index Your Site toggle is enabled. This setting is essential as it allows Google to crawl through and index your website pages, making them searchable to a global audience. Without enabling this option, your website might remain invisible to Google, which is something we definitely want to avoid. Now that we've set the stage for indexing, it's time to connect your Wix site to Google Search Console. This process is slightly more intricate, but Wix has fortunately made it quite streamlined. Still in your SEO dashboard, you'll want to locate the SEO Setup checklist. This checklist guides you through the necessary steps tailored specifically for optimizing your site's search engine friendliness. Complete these steps in the checklist for best results. In step 1 of the checklist, you'll find an option named Connect to Google. By clicking this, you initiate a process that automatically verifies your site with Google Search Console. This verification is crucial as it formally registers your website with Google, integrating Wix with Google's system for monitoring and managing your website's presence on search results. Once this is completed, your Wix site is effectively connected to Google Search Console. You can start using all the analytical tools provided to track how your site is performing in search results. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on how to add your Wix site to Google Search Console. By following these steps, you're opening the doors for better visibility and reach for your web content. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident in managing your site's search presence. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out for more detailed assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tricks.